Hello guys, welcome back. I share with you a lot of withdrawal from this website. Right now I share with you the big amount of the withdrawal proof from this website. Do you know this website pay me or not? I go to login, just put my password, email, just solve the captcha and just click sign in. Okay, I have this much coin available in my balance. I just click 3 dash, go to withdraw. In here I have this much amount. This is the amount of I want to withdraw. I just click Litecoin, I just click withdraw. You can see this website send me my Satoshi innocent to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof. Okay, I come down in here. You can see this website send me my Satoshi innocently to my faucetpay, and this is the one of the best way to you can start earning from this website. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now. Or if you want to love to making much more money from faucetpay, just comment me. I'm making much more videos about how you can start earning from faucetpay to you can make much more amount. Bye bye for now.